Hi, how do you help the your staff to realize the importance of focus while working? Well, I created a time block, so it spelled out how much time it takes for a certain task, that specific task that you hire the person, right? So how much time it takes. So you can print this out and then give it to your give your staff to fill up. And of course, right, I give you some examples like here that this is the resting time, and then this is starting, this is the rest time. So in a day, that's around that. And then here, reporting time, right? You can also time this out, and then how much time do chatting, how much time spend on learning, meeting, planning, and email. So maybe others as well. So I learned this from a very ancient book. Right? I thought like, hey, this is a great idea. And so I thought that this could be helpful to some of the HR here. So I'm going to share this template in my upcoming Excel for Strategic HR sharing. It's free, and I see you soon. Oh, by the way, my students just give me a feedback that on 19 November she enrolled my amazing Excel what is the online course, right? So my amazing Excel Academy, and then fast forward 11 January. That's her response. That her feedback is that now she's no longer need to ask the senior about Excel, and she's very happy on that. And not only that, she got the certificate as well. Yeah. So um, actually helps. I have helped many students to raise their confidence in using Excel, and if you can raise your confidence in one area, you can raise it in another area. So I see you soon, right? In Excel for Strategic HR.